Okay, isa itong game na to na about sa isang family trip. Magsi-staycation lang tayo kasama ang ating nanay at tatay at tayo yung bata mismo. Mag-staycation lang tayo sa isang remote na lugar. And yung bahay nandito, yung CR nandun, at meron isang
You stupid!
actually hindi pala, nandito yung bahay, nandito yung CR nasa labas ng cabin. And then nandito yung isang cabin na abandoned. Sinong hindi magtataka? Sinong pupili ng lugar na nandoon, pare? Tapos meron parang weird something nangyari dun sa mismong lugar na yun. Tingnan nyo na lang kasi maganda rin yung game na to. Yeah, the game name is The Family Trip. Para siyang First to Fathom ata, pero hindi siya parang ganun. Pero parang ganun. Don't forget to leave a like, subscribe guys. Let's go. The Family Trip. Sige na, laruin na natin. Ay wow, ang labo. Hindi ko pa kaya mag-voice over eh. Masyado ata maaga to, pre. Do you have everything you need, honey? Yeah, I think so. Hey, come on, champ. It's going to be fun. You don't sound very convinced. I'm just not used to trips like this. That's kind of the point. We've all been a little distant lately. Distant how? Busy, tired, always doing our own thing. This trip is for us to be together again. I guess you're right. Let's take the boxes to the car now. Wow, family trip? Magiging maganda ba tong family trip namin? Gusto ko to, men. Magka-camping ba tayo, ma? Gusto ko mag-camping. Saan tayo, ano, ma? Dad, can we stop? I need to use the bathroom. Alright, hold on a bit. There's a gas station nearby. Ano ba takbo natin? 15? Ang bagal natin, tol, ah. Ay, pa. You can go to the bathroom now. Your mom and I need to talk about something. We'll wait for you here, okay? Parang mag-aaway kayo, ma. Parang nag-aaway sila, pre. Ay, ihi nga pala tayo. Hindi pala papasok dito. Parang konti naman ang paninda nyo. Oh, looks like it's locked. I'll go ask the man who works here if he has the keys. Excuse me, can I get the key for the bathroom? Bathroom's locked. Yeah, that's why I'm asking. Your parents out there? Yeah, by the pump. I see them. You on a long trip? I think so. You don't talk too much. Dami namang sinasabi. Tigil mo yan. Baka may bayad to 5 piso, pre. Dami namang ebos ito ni Kuya. Dami tanong. Okay na. Ano nangyari kila mama? Ay! Papa, hello! Ready? Yeah, ready. Come on, son. Cheer up. You're gonna love it. You're right. Sorry, I'm just tired. Alright, let's get back to the car. Okay, but first, I need to return the keys to the man who works here. He lent them to me so I could use the bathroom. Alright, I'll wait for you. Okay, with Gordon Ramsay. Thank you, Dad. Yo, thanks for letting me use the bathroom. No problem. You know, some kids don't like trips like this. They remember things better than adults do. Parang may alam ka. Parang alam mo may mangyayari sa aming masama. Alright, we're here. See that man over there? He's the one I rented the cabin from. You two stay here for a second. I'll go talk to him. Hello, how are you? Sorry for the delay. We had to stop at the gas station. No problem at all, but everything's perfectly fine. So everything's settled? Just like we arranged over the phone? Yes, I just came to give you the key. This key is for the front gate. Make sure you close it. Sometimes animals wander in. Of course. Don't worry, I'll take care of it. Anything else? Oh yes. There's another cabin nearby. It's been abandoned for years. You'll see a tape that says do not cross. You can cross it, but you shouldn't. Ah! You can cross it, but you shouldn't. Alright, thank you very much for everything. You're welcome. Enjoy your stay. Alright, family, we're here. Excited? Well done, our family trip officially starts now. Let's grab these boxes and take them inside the cabin. TCR? Layo. Alright, good job. Now let's take the boxes into the cabin. Alright, that's it. We're done unpacking. It's already getting dark. Let's start getting the campfire ready. Ethan, won't you come gather some firewood with me? It'll be fun. Oh, okay. I'll stay here. I'm pretty tired. I think I'll sleep for a bit. Nag-away kayo ni Papa, no? Alright, let's do this to make it quicker. Grab about 4 pieces of firewood. I'll head toward the entrance. Stay around here, roughly up to the fire pit area. When you're done, put the wood in the fire pit and then head back to the cabin. Alright, let's get started. Saan ako pupulot niyan? Near sa sa likod ba yun? So, kailangan natin maglibot talaga para makuha yung Kala ko doon lang sa bahay. Ito yung bawal mag-cross. May cabin dito na abandoned daw. Sinasabi na pwede naman daw pumunta, pero wag nang pumunta. Pero, basta yun.
Stupid!
Alright, I put the firewood in the fire pit. I'm done. I'll head back to the cabin and rest for a bit. Hey, wake up, buddy. Wow, you were out for a while. Didn't think you were that tired. Come on, get up. We're heading to the campfire. Your mom's already waiting outside. Yan na, magka-amping na kami. Alright, we need to get the fire going. Want to do it, son? Yeah, sure. Here, take this. Teka lang, kailangan ng ilaw eh. Space bar. Ayun na, walang flashlight. Meron tayong campfire. Hey, remember that camping trip we took to the coast? The one with that old rusty grill? Yeah, you almost set that tent on fire. Hey, that was the wind's fault and the lighter fluid you kept spraying. That was strategy. It's been years since we did something like this. That's exactly why we're here. Not exactly. We said we wouldn't start. I'm not starting anything. Then don't make it sound like that. Sabi ko na may LQ silang dalawa eh! Can we do something fun tomorrow? We'll see. It's always we'll see. Not now. Then when? Ethan, stay here, okay? Your dad and I need to talk about something. Okay. Pucha, mag-aaway sila man! Bakit si Papa nalang naglalakad? Si Papa ba to? Hey, let's head back to the cabin. Your mom and I had a small argument. I'm sorry you had to see that. Kay mama na tayo ngayon, guys. I need to use the bathroom. There was one around here somewhere. One of those portable ones. Ma, pwede ba mag-flashlight tayo? Kasi wala akong makita. Okay, nag-CR na tayo ngayon. Oh, ang liwanag naman dito. Bakit nakikita ko yung labas? Ibig sabihin doon tayo magtatago mamaya. Ayun, kita yung dito. What the hell? Who's that? And why does he have a knife? I need to stay quiet. Mic ako, guys. May mic. Ay, wait ka magsalita. Ay, hindi ko magana yung mic ko. Marinig ako pag salita at ako. Hindi man ako narinig. Feeling kasi ako. Kita niyo ba? Who was that? Why didn't he try to get inside? I need to get back to the cabin and tell them we have to leave now. Malapit tayo sa house. Kita niyo ba yung parang white? Ah! Oh my God! Nahuli siya! No! Pag hindi pa nagising si Daddy, pre, bahala na. First blood! New day. I feel better today. I hope Mom and Dad have worked things out. I'm really tired of them fighting all the time. I'll go see if they're awake. Ayoko mababa ratings ng game pag hindi ako binigyan ng flashlight tapos sobrang dilim, pre. Ito si Papa. Hey, you're awake! Hey, Dad. Everything okay? Yeah, have you seen your mom? I've been looking for her. No, I just woke up. It's fine. She probably went for a walk. The car is gone, so I guess she just needed some air after last night. But hey, it's just us today. We can do whatever you want until she gets back. Okay, yeah, that sounds good. I'm getting kind of bored. Can we do something else? Yeah, sure. What do you feel like doing? I don't know. There's nothing to do out here. We could grab some more firewood. We already did that. Maybe we could go to the house. The abandoned one? Yeah, just to check it out. I don't think there's much there. Still, just for a bit. Come on, just a few minutes. Mom's not here anyway. If she was, she wouldn't let us go. Alright, 5 minutes, that's it. Feel ko nandito yung ano. Baka makita namin si Mama dito, pre, kasi nadali na si Mama eh. There it is. Yeah, those are worse than I thought. Should we go in? No, better not. Why not? Look at the door, the walls. This place could collapse anytime. But just for a minute, we don't need to. We already saw it from outside. Come on, Dad. It's not about being mean. I'm trying to keep you safe. Come on, let's just head back. Come on, just a quick look and we leave. Mom's not here. She'd never let us otherwise. Don't bring your mom into this. But it's true. We came all this way. I don't want to leave without seeing anything. I promise I won't go away from you. And if it's too dangerous, we leave right away. Yeah, but you don't leave my side. Not even for a second. Okay. Watch where you step. Bakit sinara mo pa yung pinto? Ay, ambot sa'yo, tay. Saan tingin? Uy, ano ba tinitignan? Dito dapat, oh. Alright, I think that's enough. Let's go. Yun na yun? Sino to? Okay. Oh, I see you already finished eating. Hey, could you grab some firewood for the campfire? I'm pretty tired. If you collect around 3 pieces, that should be enough. Okay, Mom still hasn't come back. Do you think she's still mad? I don't know. If she doesn't come back by tonight, we'll leave, okay? Yeah, I guess so. Remember, grab 3 pieces of wood and put them in the campfire container. I'm done. I'll head back to the cabin. Dad, nandiyan ka pa ba? O baka wala ka na rin. Iniwan niyo na ako niyan, ha? Huwag naman ganun. Uy. What was that? Is someone there? I'll go check. Ay, ambot ka. Why would you check, bro? Raccoon. Just a raccoon. That scared me. Alright, I'll head back to the cabin. Dad, were you able to get any signal? No, I couldn't. I don't like this. Mama hasn't come back. What if something happened to her? I don't know. What? Anong klaseng tatay ka? I'll go to where we parked the car. Maybe I can get signal there. Can I stay here? I'm a bit tired. Alright, I won't be long. I'll go to where we parked the car. Maybe I can get some signal there. Great. I don't have the key. Where did I drop it? I think I left it back at the abandoned... I had this feeling I was missing something. Alright, I'll go back there. I hope Dad manages to get signal. Uy! Putik ka! Nagulat. Powers out pa lang na. Lakas na ng jumpscare ah. Good thing I have a flash. Finally bro! Finally may flashlight tayo. Kita niyo ba? Finally may flashlight na tayo man. So ano gagawin natin? Ano nangyari? Bakit di ako pwede lumabas? Asan eh? What was that? That came from my parents' window. Ito yung bata yung gamit natin right now. What could that have been? Uy, puti kaming kumatok namin sa kwarto ko. That sound again? But this time it's coming from my bedroom window. Ooh! Oh no! What the hell was that? Who was that? Did he do something to Mom? We need to get out of here now. Oh my God, Dad! Dad! What happened to the lights? Why is everything off? Dad, listen to me. There's someone outside. Hey, calm down. What do you mean someone? There was a man at the window. He was right there, looking at me. He had a knife. I swear. A knife? Slow down. You're not making sense. Start from the beginning. I was in my room and I heard something, like tapping on the glass. I turned and he was there, just standing there watching me. Are you sure it wasn't just your imagination? No, I wasn't. He was real. He was right there and he just walked away into the dark. Shit. Galing. Dad, what if he found Mom? What if he did something to her? Don't say that. Don't think like that. But she's not here. She's been gone for too long. Listen to me. We're not staying here. Yeah, let's go. Let's just leave right now. We can't. I don't have the keys to open the barrier. What? Then what do we do? I left them back at the abandoned cabin. No, you're not going back there. I don't have a choice. Dad, that man could still be out there. He could be watching us right now. I'll be quick. I'll go grab the keys and come straight back. No, please don't go. He's going to hurt you. Hey, look at me. Nothing is going to happen to me, I promise. You don't know that. I need you to stay here. Don't open the door for anyone. Don't make any noise. Just wait for me, okay? Dad, please. I'll be back. Stay inside no matter what you hear. Oh my God. Mamamatay si Daddy. Buti may flashlight. Alright, it's not far. Just grab the keys and go back. Come on, don't be stupid. It's probably nothing. That's not nothing. Pare, Dad? Nah. Si Dad ay merong zero survival instincts, pare. Wala man lang tayong bit-bit na kung ano-ano. Kukunin lang natin yung susi. Oh no, shit, that scared me. Just something fell. Nakakaramdam na ako ah. Oh no! Hey. I didn't know anyone was here. I'm not looking for trouble. I just came to grab something and I'll leave. My keys, they should be around here somewhere. You can stay here, alright? I won't get close. Zero survival instincts, pre. Did you hear me? Look, I don't want any problems. I've got a kid waiting for me outside. So I'm just gonna take my keys and go. Okay? Ah! What the freak? Bakit? Expected ko na may jumpscare eh. Expected ko na may... Wala na, patay na si Dad. Sabi ko sa inyo eh. He's taking too long. This isn't normal. He said he'd be quick. What if something went wrong out there? That man, he could still be around. No, I shouldn't think about that. I'll just stay here in my room. I won't go outside. I'll wait for him. Dad, please, come back. Na, wala ka nang aantayin. Oh, Dad? Is that you? Of course no. Your dad is dead. See? Oh no, pagod na ulo ni Daddy, pre. Wala na. Pagod na ulo ni Dad. Bakit? Yep. GG's. No, Dad, no. I have to hide. Close it now. Move.
Daddy Gordon.
Close it. Here. di na ako pwede magsalita ulit. Medyo.
Sa dami ng taguan closet talaga.
Oh, shoot. No. Okay. He stopped. I don't hear him anymore. Dad, he killed him. I can't stay here. I need to get out. How though? Okay, think. I can't stay here. He could come back. The wire gate where the cars are parked. It's high, but maybe I can climb it. I don't care if I fall. I just need to get out. I'll go there quietly. He can't see me. Just run and don't look back. Ah, kala ko nasa loob pa ako ng closet. Eh no, wala na si Dad, pre. Wala na si Dad, pare. Eh no. Dad is gone, bro.
Tibay ng mental health niya Namatayan ng magulang pero chill.
Yung tatay nga natin, nawala ng asawa eh. Kalmado lang eh. Nagmana tayo sa tatay natin, pre. Oh! Don't look back, bro. Dire-diretso lang tayo. Nagmana lang tayo sa tatay natin na nonchalant. Kugi, may naglalakad. May tumatakbo. Don't look back, pre. Don't look back, pre. Bagal talaga. Naka-sprint na ako, Naka-shift ako ngayon. Bagal niya. Wait, paano tayo okay, akit na lang tayo dito. Actually, madali lang naman akitin to. Okay, I made it. This is it. The gate. I have to climb now. How though? Ayun na siya. But parang feeling ko yung killer is yung nandun kanina sa convenience store. Shit, he's here. He found me. Move! Ay! Okay. Wala na, dedo na, nalaglag pa. Get up! Think, Ethan, think! He's coming, he's right there! That rock. I have to grab it now. Bato! Ay, ambot ka! Tama ko pipindutin? Wala man. So antayin natin lumapit. Tulog. This is my opportunity.
Kaya ka maaga na wala ng magulang
You. He's not moving. You tuloy nabasa ko. Dad. And Mom too. He took everything from me. I won't let him get up again. Oh, shoot! Ang tigas! Okay, patay na. Baka siya yung nagbabantay sa convenience store, pre. After what happened, silence remained. Tapos na? The family trip has ended. Yun na yun? 50 minutes lang yung game. Kala ko at least 1 hour siya. So, I mean, nakapag naman tayo, revenge. The family trip. Feeling ko siya yung nagbigay ng susi sa tatay. It's either siya yung nagbigay ng susi sa tatay or yung nagbabantay ng convenience store.
Ano ba yan?
Kaya nga hindi pinakita eh. Medyo yung story niya, medyo kulang. Okay. Kulang. May lang rate ko dito sa game na to, pre. Kulang ng konti. Pero okay naman, maganda siya.